Before we started our night, we made sure to power off both of our phones to make sure that either of us didn't get any interruptions. First, we began with applying bentonite clay mask that helped clear our skin of dirts and oils while nourishing at the same time. After we've applied our mask, we've prepared a green tea bath. This bath included Epsom salt, a few drops of baby oil, and 3 green tea bags. The Epsom salt relaxes the muscles, the baby oil moisturizes the skin, and the green tea detoxes the body. We did the mask, and now we're about to rinse them off. How your face feel?
Tough.
Mine too. I feel like I can't even laugh correctly. Okay. And I promise you, baby, my face red. Your face not as red as mine.
My face not red. Well, this
I don't know
look
what that
something.
means.
This look. My shit look pale. Well, I look like I look light skinned, like light skinned.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I look lighter than I did when you did that shit. You just took my damn shade, took my color.
After our bodies were nice and relaxed, we had a candlelit dinner. We started by opening a bottle of wine. Our dinner was picked up from Red Lobster, but if you want to add an activity to your night, you can actually choose to cook your dinner together instead. This candlelit dinner gives you and your partner a chance to bond and to have complete focus on each other with no interruptions. We chose to end our night with some light snacks, strawberries for me, and brownies for him. And we also chose to watch a movie until we fell asleep. That's all for our couples Pamper night. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.